Finding the courage to change, a moment of clarity. In 12-step programs, step 7 is an action step. It's very simple. Humbly ask God to remove our shortcomings. Sometimes I am in complete despair over a shortcoming. I may tearfully beg God to help me stop doing that thing that I do. At these times, I'm riding on a train of negativity. I'm feeling despair, self-judgment, self-hate, and hopelessness. I feel alone, helpless, and stuck. When these negative emotions are running away from me, I'm too busy managing them to hear God's answers. God always answers my prayers, but I usually have to be calm and receptive to hear the answer. I have to take the time every day to listen to God's podcast. Once I'm calm and listening, then my step 7 moments are usually moments of clarity. I like to imagine that my personal qualities are like a magnet. A magnet always has 2 poles. There's always a positive pole and a negative pole. Am I stubbornly focused on the negative end of the magnet? Have I ever seen that quality in a positive light? What would happen if I turned the magnet around and tried the positive pole instead? When I find the positive aspect of that painful character defect, it's amazing. It's one of those aha moments. Today, I know that my mic is always on. God always hears my prayers, even the unspoken ones. But I have to take the time to calm down and tune into His podcast. When I'm ready to listen, the Godcast will download and play.